Welcome back, everybody, to our latest UK weather forecast. We do have a potential windstorm going to be impacting the southwest of England. We will get to that in just a moment, but let's start with the temperatures. Right now, it's looking quite warm. Places like Ireland, anywhere from 10 to 12 degrees. South England and Wales, anywhere from 11 to potentially 12 degrees. And up in Scotland, looking like 6 to 8 degrees. As we move our way into Tuesday, things are still going to be warm. We could see potentially 14 degrees in places like central England and Wales, places like Scotland warming up a little bit, potentially even 12 degrees, and Ireland looking like 12 degrees at the moment. If I move this through into Wednesday, the real heat will start to build, where we could potentially see 18 degrees in places like London and the southeast of the country. We could see 17 degrees. Places like South Wales could reach 14 degrees. Up in Scotland, looking like 11 to 10 degrees, and Ireland looking like 12 degrees. If I move this through into Thursday, the heat's going to stay. We are still going to be seeing right around 14 degrees in places like London, places up in Scotland looking like single digits once again, 7 to 8 degrees, and over in Ireland anywhere from 10 to 12 degrees. And finally, if I move this through into Friday, things are starting to cool down, potentially some colder temperatures for Scotland, looking like 4 degrees. Places like the southwest, places like London, 10 degrees, and Ireland as a whole looking anywhere from 7 to 8 degrees. Now, let's talk about the windstorm threat. If I move this to now, we are having or tomorrow morning we are going to see some faster wind gusts for the west coast of Ireland, potentially gusting to 40 mile an hour. If I move this through, this little system is going to move its way up into Scotland. We could see 40 mile an hour wind gusts for southwestern Scotland as well. If I move this through into Wednesday, things are going to be quite calm. But Thursday is going to be where things are going to start to ramp up, and you can see we've got this large area of faster wind gusts for places like South Ireland and especially southwest England. We could be seeing anywhere from 70 to potentially even 80 mile an hour wind gusts down here. If I move this through, we're going to continue to see very windy conditions for places like North England, back over to the east coast of Scotland, all the way down into Wales and over into central England. Anywhere from 50 to potentially even 70 mile an hour wind gusts are going to be a possibility. Now, this is just one model one. This is the ESMWF. Now, if I have a look at the GFS model, which is a little bit more vague, it's showing there to be once again a windstorm for southwest England, but it not really being that significant, potentially gusting over 50. If you look at the icon, it's saying a windstorm, but this time it will be impacting southwest Ireland, so nowhere near southwest England, and then this will move its way up into North England and South Scotland as we go through the daytime on Friday. And if we look at the icon EU, this is currently showing once again a lot more of a northerly track from southwest Ireland, once again moving into places like South Scotland and northern England as we go through the day. And if I actually change this to miles per hour, it shows right around North England we could be seeing 70 to potentially 80 mile an hour wind gusts. Now, most models are going with this scenario where it does hit southwest Ireland the worst, anywhere from 90 to 100 mile an hour definitely being possible. It'll move its way across places like North England and southwest Scotland, producing 70 to 80 mile an hour wind gusts. So this is definitely an event that we're going to be monitoring. We are going to be posting some forecast for tomorrow. Or tomorrow we'll be doing forecasts on this and leading up to this event. If we look at the rain, and put this back on the SunWF. Right now we do have a little bit of a band of rain anywhere for southwest Scotland back into central England. If I move this through into Tuesday, we've got some showers right around 3 o'clock for the western side of Ireland. If I move this through into Wednesday, some heavier showers, potentially even thundery, and with some hail and over the southwest side of Ireland, and these will move their way eastwards. So Wednesday is going to be quite interesting with some potentially thundery showers and maybe some hail. Also some heavier showers up just southwest and west and Scotland right around midnight on Thursday, and some patchier showers for western England and Wales. If we move through into Thursday, we do have some very heavy rain, moderate to heavy rain, with this windstorm moving its way northeast. All models will be different, but this is the one which suggests it taking more of a southwest England route and then moving its way up to the east part of the country. This could turn into a little bit of sleet for the Highlands of Scotland. And finally, if we move this through into Saturday, things should start to dry up a little bit for most of Scotland, England, and Wales, but potentially Western Ireland still looking a little bit wet. Now, if we do look at the rain accumulations from now to and Saturday, this just gives you a brief overview of who's going to see the most rain. Anywhere from Western Scotland up into Northwest England could see the most rain, and Ireland, and especially Western Ireland and portions of Northwest Wales looking like the wettest over the next little bit. And if you look at the Wednesday risk of thunderstorms, we could have an isolated risk on the west coast of Ireland for some thundery showers, maybe a couple flashes of lightning, and maybe some small hail as we go later on into the evening on Wednesday. Thank you guys so much for watching this weather forecast. If you guys did like it, it would be really appreciated if you could subscribe. And I'll catch you all in the next one. Bye bye.